Hello students, I am Jadoo SP from Sani Guruji Nivasi Vidyalaya Case. We start learn math for 6th standard. Chapter's name is Decimal Fraction. Students, in previous lecture we learned about addition of decimal fraction, subtraction of decimal fraction and multiplication of decimal fraction. In this lecture, we learn division of decimal fraction and we solve practice set 17. In this practice set, these are the examples. 4.8 divided by 2. When we division of decimal fraction, first of all, we convert this decimal fraction into common fraction like this. Here is 4.8. Then we write 48 upon 1. And after decimal fraction, here is 1 digit. So we give 1 0 after this 1 like this. Then mark of division as it is, and here is 2. 2 means 2 upon 1. Here is denominator 1. When denominator is not shown, then it was 1 like this. After this conversion, we write this fraction as it is, and you know about division of fraction. When we solve examples of division of fractions, we write first fraction as it is and we convert symbol of division into multiplication, symbol of multiplication, and this second fraction is alternate denominator is numerator and numerator is take place denominator like this, 1 upon 2. You learned about this in previous class. Then 48 multiply 1, because in multiplication of fraction, numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. Numerator multiply numerator like this. 48 ones are 48 and 10 twos are 20. Then we convert into decimal fraction. 22s are 40. 8 is remainder. 8 is not divided by 20. So we give decimal point. Then it was 18. 80. 24s are 80 like this. This is the first method, and second method is like this, 4.8 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. Here is 0. Then decimal point is given, and 2 fours are here get 2 fours are 8 like this. These two methods are division of decimal fraction. Next example. First of all, we convert common fraction, decimal fraction into common fraction. Here is upon 1 digit after decimal fraction, so we give 10 divided by 5 upon 1. We know when we divide fraction, first fraction is write as it is, and division convert into multiplication, and this fraction is alternate. Denominator gives numerators place, and numerators give denominators place, like this. 175 multiply 1 and 10 multiply 5. 10 5s are 50. Then 53s are 150. Here is 25. Then we give decimal point. And 55s are 250, like this. And second method is like this: 75.5 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Here is denominator 2. Decimal point give as it is, and here are 5. 5 5s are 25, like this. You may division of decimal fraction like this, 2 methods. Understand? Okay.